How to find TikTok Shop promo codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find working promo codes for TikTok Shop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open up your favorite web browser and in the search bar simply type TikTok Shop promo code and simply hit search. Now here on the search page, you will see a bunch of websites pop up offering promo codes. Now these sites are dedicated to sharing the latest discounts and deals. So go ahead and pick any trusted site. So here I'm going to use Coupon Follow because it's reliable and regularly updated. And here once you are on the site, you'll see a variety of offers like 45% off, $20 off or $100 off. So here you can get some really great deals. So choose the one that works best for your purchase. Now click on the deal and it will show you the promo code. Now before you use it, always check the expiration date to make sure that it's still valid. Now if it is, then simply go ahead and copy the promo code. And after that, click on the redeem at TikTok shop button and this will take you to the official TikTok shop website and you can simply log into your account and paste the code during checkout to enjoy the discount. And don't just stop there. You can feel free to explore other websites listed in the search result. So most of them offer working promo codes you can use on TikTok shop. And that's it. That's how simple it is to find and use TikTok shop promo code. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.